Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic we're gonna do IoT store. So let's go to the XML file now. So let's create a text view first. We'll place it here, and for the attributes for the text view, we'll change it as IoT store. Let's make it into center, and now we'll go with plain text. Wait, before that we'll finish all the text views first. This will be for the item, this one will be for the quantity, this one will be for the other features. And now we'll go for the number right now, another one. And now for the buttons, one for the submit, another for clear, and we'll create another text view for amount payable and another number edit text for the number to be displayed over here. Let's do it little bit over here. Okay, so come on. Okay, we'll name it as items. We'll name this as quantity. We'll name this as hard disk. This one as pen drive. Oh. This one as mouse. And for the buttons, one is for submit, another one is for clear, and for this text view we will keep it as amount payable. Okay, now we'll do all the infer constraints. Okay, now for the main activity.java. So what first we have to initialize all the objects. So edit text, how many did we use? We use around 4 edit text. So we'll create it as E1, E2, E3, E4. So for this one, show content actions. And now for the button, we created 2, so we'll create 2 over here. So we'll do the same for this. And for text view, we have created, I guess, 7 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7. Again, do the same thing. Import class. Okay. Now for the main code. So first we'll initialize it like this. Find view by ID r.id dot e1, right? So it must be this one. For e2, I'll just copy this down and paste for 4 times. And put 4 here. So this one becomes 2, this one becomes 3, this one becomes 4. So now for button, we'll do the same. r.id dot button, and for v2 also r.id dot button, and now for the text views, around 7 text views we have created, so everything should be given over here. So text view 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. This will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So now we have to write the function. So if we click on the first button, so what happens on click listener, new view on click listener, and you get this. So while we are like clicking on it, we need to, while we click this summit, we need to get all these 3 values and multiply them according to the quantity given and paste it over here. So that's what we're going to do. So for that we initialize int a is equal to integer dot parse int, and then we put e1 dot get text dot to string, and then we create it for 1, 2, and 3. So we'll put it as int b is equal to the same thing, but over here we'll change it as 2. So int c is equal to this. Over here we'll put it as 3, and then int d is equal to same thing. Over here we'll put it as 4. So after this, oh, we don't need the 4th one, I'm sorry for that. So we put int result equals to, suppose we assume that for hard disk For one quantity, it is like 5,700, and for pen drive, it is 500, and for mouse, it is 250. So we're gonna do that over here. So for that, we need to do a multiplication. It's 5700 times A plus 250 times B plus 200, oops, brackets. So 200 times C and a semicolon at last. So we need to set this result in this amount payable. So for that, what we do is that e4 dot set text. For integer, we use string dot value of, and for float, we use string dot format. So we have to be really careful about that. String dot value of, and then we put the parameter that is result over here. I think that will give, yeah, perfect. And now what we do is, if we have to create, we have another button which is called as clear. So for that, what we do is that b2 dot set on click listener, new, this one, and now for it. So if we click on this clear button, all these four edit text should be cleared. So for that, what we do is e1 dot get text dot clear. So if you do this, the E1 edit text will be cleared. So we'll just copy this. And we just rename it. That's 4, 3, 2, and yes. So this is the code which we have written right now, which will be executed. So let me just open it. So let's run this program. Let's see if there is an error. Let me just open it. So I'll just enter the values 1, 1, 1. Okay, we have computed it. So the submission, we got amount payable as 6150. Now if we click on clear, it clears all the platforms. So yeah, that's it with our project. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.